If you're experiencing vaginal dryness, painful intimacy, or frequent UTIs since menopause, I want you to know something important. You are not alone. You don't have to suffer in silence. What you're experiencing has a name, more importantly, completely treatable. About half of postmenopausal women experience what we call Genitourinary Syndrome of Menopause, or GSM. This isn't just normal aging. It is a real medical condition that deserves real solutions. When your estrogen levels drop during menopause, it's like your body's natural moisturizer disappears. Your vaginal tissues become thinner, drier, more fragile. The delicate balance that kept you comfortable changes, leading to burning, itching, painful intercourse, and even urinary problems. I see women every day who've been told this is just something that they have to live with, and that breaks my heart because it's simply not true. At Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, we specialize in hormone optimization and understand exactly how GSM affects your daily life and relationships. We don't just look at lab numbers, we listen to how you feel, we treat the whole person. The truth is that GSM is one of the most treatable aspects of menopause. We have multiple effective options, from targeted vaginal estrogen therapy that works right where you need it, systemic hormone replacement that can address your whole body symptoms. Every treatment plan is personalized because every woman's experience is unique. I want you to know that with the right treatment, most women find significant relief with just a few weeks. Imagine being able to enjoy intimacy again without pain, sleeping through the night without urgency, and feeling confident in your body. We offer safe, effective hormone therapies that restore what menopause has taken away. Whether that's low-dose vaginal estrogen, comprehensive hormone replacement, or alternative therapies for those who can't use traditional estrogen, we find the right solution for you. The key is working with providers who truly understand hormone health and won't dismiss your symptoms as just part of aging. I know you have more questions and need more information, and we're here for you. We're here to help you. Give us a call at the number listed below and come and see one of our experienced hormone providers, and let's get you on the track to wellness.